If you're looking to connect TeamGate CRM with Zapier, you're probably aiming to automate your workflow and save time. Well, you're in the right place, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do this, along with some important insights into TeamGate itself. And stick around, because I'll also show you some even better alternatives for your goal, so you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to know is that TeamGate CRM is a tool designed to help businesses manage leads, sales, and customer relationships more efficiently. It offers a user-friendly interface and a set of automation features, but its integrations, while helpful, can be a bit limited without a tool like Zapier. Next thing you'll want to do is head over to the Zapier platform. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Zapier acts as the middleman, connecting your apps and automating tasks between them. Once you're logged into Zapier, search for TeamGate in the app directory. If you've already got TeamGate set up, just find it and then choose the action or trigger you'd like to automate. The third thing is selecting the trigger event in TeamGate CRM that will start your Zap. This could be something like new lead created or deal moved to a new stage. You'll want to select the most relevant trigger based on what you want to automate in your sales process. Now, the fourth thing you need to do is connect your TeamGate account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to log into your TeamGate account and give Zapier access to your CRM. Once connected, you can move on to setting up the action in another app. The fifth thing is choosing the action app in Zapier. This could be anything from Google Sheets to Slack, depending on how you want to manage the data once it comes out of TeamGate. For example, you could automatically add new TeamGate leads to a Google Sheet or send a Slack message whenever a deal reaches a certain stage. Zapier will let you customize exactly how this data flows between apps. The sixth thing is testing the connection to make sure everything works as expected. Zapier will run a test to confirm that your trigger and action are set up correctly. Once it's successful, you're good to go. Lastly, after you've successfully tested it, turn on your Zap. This is where the magic happens. From now on, Zapier will handle the workflow automation, and you won't have to manually move data or monitor these processes constantly. But let's take a step back and talk about TeamGate itself. While it's a solid CRM, it's not perfect. One issue I've noticed is its lack of advanced reporting compared to other CRM solutions. Some of its integrations can be a bit basic, and the pricing, while competitive, doesn't always justify the limited features. So, is TeamGate the best CRM for everyone? Not necessarily. If you're looking for something more robust and customizable, there are alternatives that might serve you better in the long run, especially if you want a CRM that works seamlessly with Zapier and supports a more dynamic automation setup. That's why, as promised, I'm giving you some amazing alternatives to TeamGate that may better align with your goals. These options also come with free trials, and through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive benefits that you can't find anywhere else. In conclusion, if you want to get started with TeamGate CRM and Zapier, follow the steps I've outlined and you'll be automating tasks in no time. But if you're open to better options, check out the alternatives linked below and take advantage of the extended free trial through our exclusive offer. Thanks for watching.